Stop scrolling. This message is not a coincidence. It is urgent. My courageous one, I see you. I see the heavy anxiety that keeps you awake at night. I know the doubts that cloud your mind, and the weight of past mistakes you still carry on your shoulders. You have been waiting for a breakthrough for so long, and I know you feel completely exhausted. But listen to me carefully. Your long, painful wait ends tonight. Tomorrow morning, a brand new chapter begins. Think of me as the master architect, and you as my greatest masterpiece. Recently, you might have felt like your life is crumbling, but the truth is, I have been working on your foundation. I have laid a bedrock of resilience within you that is so deep and so incredibly strong that no enemy, no storm, and no worldly setback can ever shake it. You are built to last. It is time to change your perspective. Stop measuring your worth by your current circumstances. You are not defined by the temporary battles you face. You are defined by my eternal promises. The intense heat you have felt recently, the silent tears, the trials, the endless delays, was never meant to destroy you. It was a refining fire. This waiting period was perfectly designed to strengthen your character, to burn away what no longer serves you, and to prepare your soul for the massive blessings coming your way. The preparation is over. Tonight, as you close your eyes, surrender all your worries to me. Let the heavy burdens fall, because when the sun rises tomorrow, it will bring a glorious new beginning. A season of unprecedented favor, peace, and abundance is stepping into your life. The wait is finally over. If you believe this, type Amen in the comments to claim this promise, and share this message with someone who desperately needs to hear it today.